First, let's focus on setting up an environment variable for our NextJS application. You will need to create a env local file at the root of your project if it doesn't already exist. Inside this file, you'll add a variable called API_secret_key followed by an equals sign, and then your actual secret key. This key should be a string that's hard to guess and unique to your application. This will keep it secure, as it won't be committed to your version control system. Here we're exporting a default function, called handler, which serves as our API root. This function takes two parameters, rec, which is the request object containing details such as query parameters, body data, and headers, and res, the response object used for returning data back to the client. We then declare a constant called API secret key and retrieve our environment variable API_secret_key using the global process.env object, a feature of Node.js that provides access to environment variables. Next, we check if the API secret key is not set. If that's the case, something has gone wrong, perhaps we've forgotten to define it in our env local file. So, we promptly send a 500 internal server error response with a JSON object indicating that the API_secret_key is not defined. Assuming we have our secret key, we can use it for various operations within our API root. Let's look at one common example, authentication. If the authorization header present in the request doesn't match our secret key, we return a 401 unauthorized error. This safeguards our root so only requests with the correct secret key can gain access. Finally, if all our checks pass, the incoming request is authorized and we can perform any additional logic as needed. Here, we're simply responding back with a 200 OK status and a success message. However, in a real-world scenario, this is where you would include your API's core functionality.